Intuitive Code welcomes you as a new member. Let me show you how to get started. Start by clicking on Onboarding on the menu. Thereafter, choose the same option on the horizontal menu. I am warning you, do not skip steps. In this step, you learn how to access to your course on how to invest. Ask the support team for your password. I suggest that you take the course on your browser for a superior experience. Click on the icon to open it. Before starting to trade, it is of the utmost importance to review the basic manual. Platinum members have access to the complete version. Finally, let's take a look at the magic. Choose the option AI Data on the menu. Impressive, isn't it? 600% profit. Indeed. Note that it will take you at least a couple of weeks to review the material. Yes, lots of new stuff to learn. In the new version you also have access to the Smart App, lessons and trading log history. It will help you a lot learning at your own pace. Finally, a quick reminder: the priority support team is available in the app waiting for you. Enjoy.